Peter from Old Man King Homestead. It's Tuesday afternoon, nice sunny day. Well, it is now. Got some thunderstorms earlier that brought the humidity down. It's about 80 degrees now. It's beautiful. Yesterday was kind of warm. We had a high of 91, heat index of 104. Humidity was terrible yesterday. Well, Teddy hasn't come back yet. He's still missing. But the good news is I got some pictures of some of the animals for you. So it's not the best video because I held my phone the wrong way. I knew I was supposed to hold it horizontal. I held it vertical for most of it. I didn't realize that most of the videos I've been taking the last week and a half were vertical. Well, I'll correct that now. I have to remember to hold it horizontal. I want to thank everyone for subscribing and watching my videos, and I hope you continue. I'm going to do the best I can do to keep improving these each time. I had hen go broody yesterday. Last few days, Buffy, one of my buff Orpingtons, you'll see her in the video. She's been getting very aggressive with some of the other hens. All they have to do is just walk near her and she would attack them. Just out of nowhere, just attack them for no reason. So I was kind of wondering if she was getting ready to go to broody. And last night, she didn't come home. I don't know where she's got her nest, but she didn't come to the coop. And I couldn't find her, so I was hoping that she was broody. Well, about 10 o'clock this morning, she came out. I didn't see where she came from, but I think I got a general idea. When she went back, I saw the general direction she went, so I'm going to try to keep track of her. But came out and she was all puffed up and she was just acting like she's big boss, chasing the other chickens around and stuff. Ate a little bit and then about 15-20 minutes later disappeared again. So hopefully in 3 weeks I'll have some chicks. In this video you're going to get to meet my chickens and my landlord's pigs. And in future videos you'll be meeting my cats, my landlord's geese, and my landlord's chickens. I'll save them for another video. I hope you enjoy it. I'm on my way to physical therapy this morning. Just waiting for the bus to come. Therapy now. I hold these therapists to a very high standard. So let's go and see if the coffee's made. Looks like they passed this morning. We'll give them a 5-star rating. Home from physical therapy now. So the first thing, mask comes off. This is Alice. She's a black Astralorp. That's Rosie, Rhode Island Red. This is Lucy. That's Buffy. They're both buff Orpingtons. Here's Buffy stopping by to say hello. I was just going to go look for her. I was getting worried about her because it's so hot today and she doesn't handle the heat real well, but she looks fine. There she is going over to get a drink. This is Earl, my Barred Rock rooster. That's one landlord's pigs. One of the little piglets. There's everyone hanging out over on that side of the pen. Lucy's stuck inside a run that I started to build and I haven't got completed yet. She can't figure out how to get out. Can't believe she can't figure out how to get out because I don't know if you can see it, but right there. No, I don't think it's shown on the camera, but there's a huge opening right there. Rosie decided to go on and keep Lucy company. So now they're both in the run, even though I don't have them confined to the run today. Isn't that the way it works? You don't care if they're in there or not, they want to be in there. Try to keep them in there, they're going to do everything possible to try to get out. I go to Dollar General, pick up a few groceries, and then stop and get some gas, so I got some gas to run my generator. My generator now, so let's pour that in and see if we can get this started. Switch it on, soak it. And the air power. This is Rosie. This is Alice. She's a black astrolorp. This is Earl. He's my barred rock rooster. He's been hanging out with landlord's pigs the last few days. This is Charlie. This is Betty. She's another black astrolorp. She's the one that abandoned the flock and went with my landlord's flock. She's not really a friendly bird at all. This is Penelope. She's a potbelly. Here's one of the little piglets. Here's Mama Pig. A couple more piglets. You probably noticed some of my hens are missing feathers. I just want to let everyone know that situation's been taken care of now. I had my hens and Earl in a run, so he just had access to 5 hens, and he overmated them, especially being much bigger than they are. But now they're all free ranging. So Earl's got access to 11 girls, so he can spread the attention a little more now. I started out with 10 pullets and a cockerel, and I thought it was going to be the perfect mix. Well, 2 of my pullets died within the first week, and then I had 2 more get killed by a pit bull, and then I had 1 ran away on me. She literally ran away. So that put me down to 5, and with him being such a big rooster, it just wasn't quite doing it. But now he's got 11 girls to spread attention among, so their feathers are starting to grow back. And now, as promised, at the end of the video, you're going to get to find out what I did last Sunday night when Dogman and Bobblehead had their live stream going. When Dogman made the steak dinner for him and Bobblehead. Now you find out what I did. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to get your friends to subscribe, like my video, and keep coming back. I appreciate all the support. Have a good one. Dogman and Bobblehead are having a live right now where they're eating a steak dinner that Dogman made. So I'm having some s'mores right now. What better thing to do while I'm watching a video of them eat a steak dinner? I'll have some s'mores.